Hi Cameron, this is Stephanie with Peerless Strategies. I wanted to make you this video to show you a few things that we do to help businesses rank on Google. The three things I want to talk to you about are content, citations, and backlinks. So content is really just the lettering and photos on your website. So all of these words right here are the content, and then the photos are also more content. So Google likes to see at least 1,500 words of keyword-rich content on your homepage. And also, when Google is crawling your site, they don't see images, and so they just read what's behind them. So when we save as, we see that this is saved as image 2. So you would definitely want to have all your images saved as keywords and get enough content on your website to outdo your competitors. And Lawn Smith has probably about 11 to 1,200 words on their homepage, so that's very beautiful. The guy in the second position, Roofing Giant, he has a decent amount of content, close to 1,000. And I know you want to be separate from your company, but I just wanted to throw them in here too because they really, really need some help. This is their homepage and this is their content. So they certainly need to add a lot more to their homepage. So the next thing I want to talk to you about are citations. So when we search for roofing contractors, Dallas TX, what we're going to see at the top is the paid ads. The next section is the map pack, and below that we have the organic section. And citations come to play in the map pack. A citation is simply just your business name, your address, and phone number listed in different directories throughout the internet, such as Yelp, White Pages, or even Facebook. So we see American Pride Roofing actually has the #1 spot for the map pack. The tool that I like to use to see how many citations they have is called whitespark.ca, and we see that American Pride has 33 citations. So what I recommend is that we add about 200 to 300 citations to the Google My Business listing so we can beat your competition by a landslide. Also, with the Google My Business listings, you would want one for each location. So you can have one in Dallas, you can have one in Fort Worth, one in Arlington, and pretty much just take over the whole area. So the next thing I want to talk to you about are backlinks, and that is how you're going to rank in the organic section. And we see that Lawn Smith has the #1 spot and Roofing Giant has the 2nd spot. So backlink is also known as link juice. And this is pretty much how you're going to beat out your competition. And so link juice, simply put, is really just site A pointing to site B. Therefore, site A is acting like the link juice, giving site B more authority in Google's eyes. So it's almost like a popularity contest, but there's a little bit more to it than that. So the link juice you obtain works a lot more effective when you have relative sites linking back at you. For example, if you had a roofing site in California linking back to your website, that's a lot more effective than, say, Pizza Hut, because I mean, Google knows you guys aren't in the pizza industry. So the tool that I like to use for that is called Ahrefs. So when we plug in Lawn Smith, we see that he has 295 referring domains, giving him 3,049 backlinks. And he's being found for 1,000 keywords. Looking at Roofing Giant, we see he has 158 referring domains, giving him almost 3,000 backlinks. He's got 309 keywords. And just to show you your company, you guys have 6 referring domains, giving you 8 backlinks, and you're only being found for 1 keyword. As I mentioned earlier, not all backlinks are created equal. So there are trustworthy backlinks and there are spammy backlinks. And a good example is actually Lawn Smith. Here's his trust and his power, and those should be double digits and they should be pretty close to each other. So when we look at Roofing Giant, we see that they're pretty far apart, so the links that they're getting are a little spammy. And then of course ABP Construction doesn't have many links, but you know, they could be of higher trust. So you want to definitely get relevant, trustworthy backlinks pointing back to your website. That is a major factor in ranking in the organic section. And just to show you the keyword volume, let me click here. So just to show you over here, the keyword is what people are searching for. The volume is the average monthly searches. The KD is the keyword difficulty. CPC is cost per click. And position is irrelevant because we're not looking at your site. So we see when people search for roofing contractors, Dallas TX, there's average 450 searches a month. 0 is the easiest, so 35 is pretty competitive. That will definitely take time to rank for those higher keywords. But roof repairs, there's another 400. Roofing repairs Dallas, another 350. Dallas roof repair, got to switch the words around. There's another 350. And here's all for Fort Worth. You see that there's literally hundreds and hundreds of searches every month for roofers in your area. And this is just for Dallas and Fort Worth. This is not including the surrounding cities. And I did make this when I was actually looking at cost per click for you to kind of play, to see what the Google ads would be for you. After looking at the cost, it's pretty expensive, and I don't feel like your money would be used best in Google PPC ads. You see they can be up to $70 a click, as high as $95. So I think Facebook ads would be a good fit for you. I have run ads before, and it's really hit or miss. We can bring in a bunch of leads, but it's going to be up to you to contact them immediately and to close on them. And honestly, I see most people closing about maybe 10 to 20%, which Rin had told me that you had a pretty high close rate, so you may have more success than other people. But if we were to do a website for you, I would personally target the lower KD keywords, such as Dallas metal roof. I know metal roofs are quite profitable, so that's only a 5, and there's 50 searches a month for that. Metal roof Dallas, there's another 40 searches. It's only a 5 KD. Metal roofing Dallas, there's another 150. Going to Irving, there's another 300 searches for roofing, and they're all pretty low KDs. So we would definitely just try and target the less competitive keywords, because it still will bring in like hundreds of searches a month. So just to do a recap for you, we need to get you a website built that has at least 1,500 words of keyword-rich content, and get it fully optimized on page, and then we will do the off-page SEO, doing the backlinks and the keywords. And then we would go ahead and add 100 to 200 citations to your GMB so we can get you in the top 3 spots of the map pack. That is everything I have for you. If you have any questions, feel free to just shoot me an email, or we can schedule time to get on a call and we can discuss what's the best options for you. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this, and I look forward to speaking with you.